a police officer. My name's Sergeant Terry Burns. It's my badge. It's concerning me that you're filming me, sir. Can you answer any questions for me? Please allow my colleague to do her job. Please allow my colleague to do her job, sir. No. If you're interfering with a police officer in the lawful execution of their duty, I will remind you that that is an offence. Please,
step out of my way.
I'm not in your way. I'm not in your way.
I'm walking.
You are
do not touch me.
You're attempting to interfere.
Do not touch me, and do not block me.
With a police officer.
I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. I'm looking at her thin blue line badge. She shouldn't be wearing it. Tell her to take it off.
I'm not instructing the officer to do that, sir.
Well, I will. Take off your badge.
The officer.
Take off your thin blue line badge. It's banned.
Is in lawful execution of her duty.
Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. I don't want to talk to you.
That is fine.
Okay, so go away now. Go away now. No, you're not instructing me anything.
I'm instructing you.
Don't instruct me
that if
nothing.
you interfere,
I'm not talking to her. I'm not
in the
talking
lawful
to her.
execution of her duties.
Have you heard me talk?
When the sergeant accused the auditor of blocking a female officer, the tape tells a different story. The auditor's camera never wanders from the sergeant, so there's no interference with her duty. Twisting a peaceful recording into a crime isn't just bad training. It's a clear sign of resisting oversight. Even worse, it comes from a sergeant, someone meant to lead by example. Instead, he uses his rank to intimidate a law-abiding filmer with no real justification.
Have you heard me talk to her? Have you heard me talk to her?
Yes, I have, sir.
When have I, don't lie, you're on camera.
It's on your phone,
You're
sir.
right.
You've been talking to my colleague,
No,
sir.
I've been talking.
Yes,
I
you
said
have,
you
sir.
tell her to take off the badge.
You've asked me
I asked
when.
you. Tell her to take that badge off. It's against the Met uniform. You shouldn't be wearing it.
Can we ask what you're doing here, though?
Yeah, I'm looking at you taking off. I want you to take that badge off. So that's what you know. What I'm doing. Okay. I'm looking at you and telling you to take that badge off because you are wearing that badge. And I want you to take it off. It's a disgrace. It's a defaced the union flag. Well, get in the van and do your job then. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can film the building.
It's a bit of concern for us, though, isn't it?
Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why.
It's a security risk.
Why? Why?
Police building with people going in and out.
And am I on a public pavement?
Pardon?
Am I on a public pavement? Am I in a public pavement? Yes, you said, yeah? I'm in a public space. So therefore, don't come up to me. Don't walk to me. Do not. And I'm not listening to you. Do not walk to me. I'm on the public pavement filming a building. No, I'm not. You're obstructing it.
They try to paint the auditor as meddling with a female officer's duties. But the video shows the opposite. He's trained squarely on the sergeant. Spinning a comm recording into an offense isn't an accident. It's a tactic to dodge scrutiny. And coming from a sergeant, that's downright embarrassing. Then they brand him a security risk for filming officers coming and going, logic gone missing. He coolly pointed out he's on a public sidewalk, free to record. The kicker, the sergeant snarls that he's obstructing, even though his own cruiser doors flung open hog the street. It's ridiculous. If it weren't so alarming.
Your car out the way. You keep on coming so close, don't you? You're intimidating me.
I'm not intimidating you, sir.
Section 5.
Oh,
yeah,
Section
you're causing
5
me
of what,
alarm, harassment and distress, okay? I don't care. I do not care. I'm telling you what I'm doing. Tell her to take that badge off. Go on, tell her to take the badge off. The badge is defaced union flag. It shouldn't be on your uniform.
We may seize that phone.
Oh, you won't.
Police and Criminal Evidence
No, you
Act.
won't. No, you won't.
If I think
you won't touch my phone.
Evidence on your phone.
There's no evidence on my phone for you. No, you won't. You won't. If you touch me or my phone, no, I'm not listening to you. I keep on telling you. No, you don't need to get close to me. Step away and stop pointing your finger. No, you won't.
This is not difficult,
no, you won't.
sir.
All right then. Well, I'll tell you won't take my phone.
You're telling me what, sir?
You won't take my phone.
If I feel there's evidence.
Oh, what evidence?
On your phone.
As what evidence to do what?
I will take
of what crime?
Under the Police
of
and
what
Criminal
crime?
Evidence Act,
What
sir.
crime?
It's as simple
It's
as
not. Police and Criminal Act does not allow you to take my phone. You need to articulate a crime.
It does, sir.
What's the crime?
When a sergeant threatens to confiscate the auditor's phone under the Evidence Act, he can't even name a crime. The law only permits seizures when officers reasonably suspect an item holds proof of a real offense. Filming on a public sidewalk, even with police around, fails that test. This is an illegal mix-up. It's blatant power abuse. Waving pace like a threat, he hopes to scare the auditor into handing over his device. But when asked what crime occurred, nothing. No theft, no assault, no wrongdoing. Without a specific charge, there's no right to search your belongings.
What's the crime?
Well, you have indicated.
Yeah, go on.
You're alleging that an officer is wearing something they shouldn't, sir.
She is.
Oh, evidence then, sir.
Evidence from me.
Yes.
Yes.
And I will take the evidence from you.
Why? Why?
Under the
What
Police
crime is it?
Evidence
What
Act.
crime am I doing? Is it a crime to identify a defaced union flag for police?
If you're saying
What do you want?
evidence
What do you want?
then we can seize that, can't we, as evidence?
Film yourself.
Pardon?
Film yourself.
I don't need to film myself.
Oh, are you filming me?
Pardon?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Have you told me?
You haven't told me you're filming me.
Have you told me?
No.
It's within your policy to state at the first
Policy is
practical,
not law that I
at the
tell you
first practical opportunity to let me know that you are filming me. Okay? And you haven't even done that, have you? You haven't even gone by your policies. That means you're a tyrant.
It's policy that it's not.
You're a
it's not
tyrant.
to do that, is it?
Oh, of course it is. Are you mad? You're supposed to be telling people that you're filming them. You know GDPR? State of protection.
When the auditor points out that policy says officers must state when they're recording, she fires back, "That's policy, not law." But these guidelines shape every officer's conduct and safeguard public trust. Ignoring them isn't a minor oversight. It erodes accountability and edges into GDPR risk when a state agent records personal data without proper notification.
Step on your way. Move your car. It's obstructing.
You're currently obstructing the public highway.
No, I'm not.
sir.
I'm walking up and down. So I'm not currently doing anything. You're currently obstructing the public highway. Yeah? You're just trying to you're trying to lie. I think that's called manifest. Yeah, in public office. Yeah,
Sorry,
I think
what's it
so.
called, sir?
Don't worry about what it's called. Tell me what pace is. Tell me what crime I'm committing. Huh?
Sir, please stop filming me,
Muppet.
sir. Please stop filming.
I will keep on filming you. I'm allowed to film.
He's filming the building. He's filming.
My body wants cameras on.
Officers,
Thank you for telling me your body worn cams. Thank you for upholding your policy.
Yeah.
Hold on a second.
You're right. Sorry.
I don't know what's actually happening.
So he's filming. Speak to me, talk to my colleague.
Well, you can talk as much as you like. It's a public place. Make privacy if you want to. Go on then.
Right, he's filming. Personal cars filming that.
No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Stop lying. Stop lying. Stop lying. I wasn't doing
My
that.
colleagues coming in and out in their personal
No,
cars.
he's not coming in and out in his personal car. He was going in and I was filming. I didn't go to him and I didn't film him.
The officer claimed the auditor was filming the sergeant stepping in and out of his vehicle. But in reality, the car had only just arrived. The auditor remained on public pavement, exercising his legal right to record, while the sergeant chose to involve himself. By recasting a lawful act as targeting the sergeant's movements, the officer manufactured suspicion to justify further intervention. And the auditor was right to call out that false narrative.
Off you go. Dismissed. Walk of shame. Off you go. I'm not being rude. I'm telling him. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Why? When you said
no, I'm not.
off you go.
Off you go. Dismissed.
excuse me, officer.
Rude is not a crime.
Say, if this gentleman has any footage on his phone of my car's registration number, okay, I fear under the Terrorism Act, unless we prove otherwise, that I'm in danger.
Yeah.
And I want this gentleman to understand that if I feel I'm in danger, he's refused to provide any details of what he's doing here, okay? If I feel that you're trying to identify me personally, sir.
Did you drive up? Did you drive up? Did I come to you? Did I ask you
have
anything?
immediately started
Did I
filming
ask you anything? You stopped your car and you said to me, what am I doing? Who am I? So get in your car and go away. Stop trying to incriminate people and abuse the rules and laws.
Standing before his team, the sergeant invokes a terrorism act simply because his car's registration was filmed, a claim with no legal footing. License plates in public view aren't specially protected, and no court has ruled that photographing them equals terror activity. Section 43 only allows stops when there's a genuine suspicion of terrorism. Feeling uneasy about a visible plate on the street doesn't even come close to meeting that test.
Visit today here, sir.
She's wearing a defaced union flag and she should take it off. That's what she should be doing. You should be telling her to take off, or he, she, them, however she wants to be represented,
What's the purpose of
that
the visit
she
today?
shouldn't be wearing a defaced union flag on her uniform. That Muppet, whoever he is, no, I can call him a Muppet.
Why?
Because I can.
No one's calling you.
It's not a swear word, is it? Is Muppet a swear word?
trying to keep
Is Muppet a swear word? Is Muppet a swear word? I'm asking you.
What's the
No.
purpose of your
So I can
visit?
call him a Muppet, can't I?
What's the purpose of
Yeah?
your visit
Can I
today?
call him a Muppet? Can I call him a Muppet? Is it a swear word?
mate.
Don't be civil, not your mate. Okay? If you want to be civil, go inside, leave me alone, because I'm doing nothing wrong. Okay?
What is
Off
the-
your pop.
What is the purpose of your visit?
It all kicked off when a sergeant falsely accused the auditor of getting in a female officer's way. The footage, however, tells the real story. His camera never strayed from the sergeant, and he never approached her. This kind of bait and switch is a classic move to dodge scrutiny, especially alarming coming from someone meant to set the bar. Next, they try to brand him a security risk simply for filming officers coming and going calmly. He reminded them he was standing on a public sidewalk, exactly where the law lets anyone record. Meanwhile, the sergeant's own police cruiser sat half in the street, doors wide open and blocking traffic, obstructing what exactly? Then came the threat to confiscate his phone under PACE. When asked what crime had occurred, the sergeant stumbled. PACE only allows seizures when there's reasonable suspicion of a specific offense, which doesn't include lawful recording. Waving legal jargon like a sword, he hoped to scare the auditor into compliance. But without an actual charge, there was no power to search a citizen's device. When told that policy requires officers to announce recordings, the female constable retorted, "That's policy, not law." But those guidelines exist to preserve trust and ensure GDPR compliance. State agents must notify people they're collecting personal data. Ignoring that standard undermines transparency and flirts with legal risk. To make matters worse, the officer lied to her colleagues, claiming the auditor had filmed the sergeant stepping in and out of his car when the guy hadn't even arrived yet. That spin was meant to paint innocent filming as suspicious targeting, all to justify more intervention. The sergeant's grand finale was to invoke the Terrorism Act simply because his license plate appeared on camera, a claim with zero legal basis. Section 43 only applies when there's genuine suspicion of terrorist activity, not discomfort over a public license plate. Finally, facing contradiction after contradiction, the sergeant slunk back into his car and drove off. His aggressive approach, refusal to follow basic policy, and misuse of legal terms weren't just unprofessional. They were a breakdown in leadership and respect for public rights. When officers treat lawful recording as a crime, they erode the credibility of the entire force. That's a wrap for today's episode. If you found this insightful, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe. It really helps me keep bringing you independent coverage. And don't forget to check out Yardley Ski Auditing. Links in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.